everybody, I'm Tony with Referral Auto Group. I want to personally invite you to be my guest at our upcoming seminar on May 25th here at our facility from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. titled The Educated Buyer Arming You for the Journey Ahead. We're going to cover topics like the tow specs of your vehicle, the trailer, whether you should finance, whether you should get a warranty, what style of camping you do, and so much more. This is for the first-time buyer as well as a repeat offender. Whether you're buying from a dealer or a private party, this is for you. And if I don't add massive value to your buying experience by the end of the seminar, come up and see me. I'll give you a $50 gas card just for showing up. Again, this is May 25th at our facility at 1444 First Street in Escalon from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. RSVP by texting or calling the number at the bottom of the screen. Stay tuned to the end of the video for some testimonials from people that have attended this in the past. We've done this many times. It's been well received and even said that it truly helped these guys to purchase the right RV. Come on out and see us. I would be honored. Thank you. Hey everybody, Tony. You're obviously shopping for an RV. If you have any questions or need advice, personally call or text me at the number below. I'd love to be part of your journey regardless of where you're shopping. Let's get back at it.